Hello guys, back with me again in the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows or columns in Google Sheets. So here I'm going to show you how to do that in the Android device or on your mobile phone. So just open the Google Sheets app and then open the file that you want to edit. Okay, so here I've already opened the file. So if you want to freeze a row, just touch and hold the row. For example, the first row, touch and hold like this. Okay, oops. Touch and hold like this. And then here, click on this and then click on freeze like that, and the rows has been freezed. And if you want to freeze a column, just do the exact same steps. So I'm going to touch and hold this column, the first column, like so. Why is it so hard? Why is it acting up like that? Okay, oops. And then click on freeze again, like so. Okay, it's so easy like that. You can do this without having to the row or the column has to move. It stays there. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can freeze column or rows on Google Sheet. So if you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.